Every time when I use a special material and I show you on the video, I say it's not a promotion for this, nothing like that. I just show you exactly what I use. But this time I have a collaboration with High Crochet. High Crochet sent me this kit. It's a kit for beginner. I'm not a beginner, but I'm so happy making this amigurumi or these sunflowers, a dancing sunflower. We have everything that we need to make this amigurumi inside this package. Well, I have another accessory outside because it's big. I will show you all the materials that we have inside this package and you will love it. You need to know after see this video if you want to buy this kit. In the description below you can find the link. At this very moment, I have not opened the package yet. We will open it together. But you can see how the first word in the presentation is beginner. And I'm appreciate that High Crochet. You will receive it completely sealed. We have silicone, a silicone glue, tube silicone glue. We have 2.0 millimeters hook, stuffing. This stuffing is really soft. It's similar than the stuffing that I'm using with our amigurumis. Also, we have the eyes, marker, and also for keychain. Oh, that's good. Special crochet card. We have a black yarn. It's really soft. I love it. Orange. Oh, it's like a chenille, but a finer chenille. It's different than the chenille that I'm used. Green, yellow, this one maybe is for the pot. A wool needle, very good wool needle. I love the hole. Every time I have a problem with that. And this is the special accessory that we need for this dancing sunflower. You only need turn on or turn off and you will have music and also and repeat everything that we say or our babies. It's also an ideal kit for the little ones at home to want to learn crochet. If you have reached this part of the video, it has been for one of two reasons. You are very interested in this kit or you simply want to see the final result. Then I will show you, of course. I'm sorry. Something very important, I was already wondering about the pattern. And in the back of this card, you can find the link to the pattern, the digital pattern. Also, you can find a link to go to many tutorials on YouTube channel. And you have a code if you, in case you need help from High Crochet. just material for a sunflower? Look how we have material on this kit, and is after made the sunflower. And also we have this, the hook, everything for the next project. I love it! This is the final result and it's so cute. I think my babies will love it. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, my dear friend. Happy birthday to you. Aww. Oh, also, hello. How are you? Well, my English is not the best. Yeah, my babies and my dog will love this flower. If you want to get this kit, in the description of this video, in the description below, you can find the link. Bye bye!